Place the fingers between your third and fourth fingers in your non-dominant hand. Beautiful. And you're enjoying your portions. Good job, gentlemen. I'm so proud of you.
It's like ice cream with no dairy.
Beautiful. Beautiful. That's sorbet. Now chew with our mouth closed. You're not chewing, but your mouth was up. Good job. This is beautiful, gentlemen. You're doing such a great job between your third and fourth fingers. Your other finger, the next finger.
Oh.
Third and fourth. Yes, beautiful.